Hi guys, so in this video we will think about the best way to use images in our recommendation report. You can see the student has carefully selected a photograph of rainforest development. In this photograph, the student has identified 5 problems with this type of farming. They have specifically looked at the images and labelled these 5 problems. In the lesson, we will learn about how we can label a photograph like this. I have created a YouTube video that takes you through this process step by step. But let's have a look at how the student has used this photograph. Cleverly, the student has identified specific sections of the photograph that show these specific problems. They have then backed this up by a short sentence. We call these sentences annotations. Annotations are a good way to identify important information in a photograph. So, the student has said here, number 1. The trees have been chopped down to make way for cattle ranching, and when too many trees are cut down, deforestation happens. So this student has identified specific evidence in the photograph, and they know that deforestation is bad. However, the reader might not know how and why deforestation is bad. So they've looked again at the photograph. Here, number 4. The water cycle will be affected because the trees are cut down. The water cannot evaporate back to the air. So here, the student has showed quite a detailed knowledge about the water cycle and the importance of trees. So the cattle are a big problem. In this photograph, you can see the cows are kept in a field. They cannot wander around. They cannot wander around the forest, damaging the soil and trees. Food is brought to the cattle. This might be a better way to farm the forest and rear cattle in the rainforest. But of course now we've created another problem. How are you going to grow all the food for the cows? Food for animals is also known as fodder. Of course, you do not want to cut the rainforest down to grow cow food or fodder, and then feed the cows this fodder. This will not solve the problem of deforestation. So, here's the challenge. How do you grow all that cattle food or fodder in a sustainable way? Have a think now how you could grow this food in a sustainable way in the rainforest. If you have no idea, at this stage it's okay to say, I have no idea. I need to find out better ways to grow food for the cattle.